Good evening, Robert Scribbler, filming from Virginia Beach for the OBX and Wave Report as a surfer drops in on a little 2-foot wave here, catches a little foamy ride. The wind's coming out of the east, out of the North Atlantic. I don't know, maybe some 1 to 3 foot waves here. Breaking on the sandbar here in Virginia Beach. Did head down to Virginia Beach for the adventure parks, enjoying some ropes courses. So good fun was had today, but not in the ocean. Looks like we're probably going to get back in the ocean again tomorrow in the Outer Banks area. All right, so let's get down to the wave report. Excuse me, I gotta grab my legal pad. Okay, so right now in Virginia Beach waves, I'd say in the range of 1 to 3 foot, maybe 2 to 3 foot. Slight chop, winds coming out of the east. Down Nag's Head right now, waves a bit larger in the range of 3 to 5 foot. Relatively choppy, but calming down. Primary swell the east, northeast at around 5 foot in 10 seconds. Easterly winds coming in at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Air temperatures in the middle 70s. Right now, ocean water temperatures around 75 degrees. And then down in Rodanthe right now, waves in the range of 4 to 6 feet, semi-choppy. East-northeast swell in the range of about 6 feet in 10 seconds. North-northeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour as we watch a foil boarder. It's a powered foil board, which is pretty cool. Just skimming along behind the sets here. Ooh, nice little party wave. Air temperatures in Rodanthe around 76 degrees. Ocean water temperatures also 76 degrees. And then Buxton right now waves 4 to 6 foot. Semi-choppy, east-northeast swell in the range of about 6 foot and 10 seconds. Winds from the northeast at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Air temperatures around 75 degrees. Ocean water temperatures 78. And Frisco right now 2 to 4 foot and clean. All right. So wave conditions calming down a bit as we get into Sunday and Monday. Looks like better waves overall for the Outer Banks. Looking at Nag's Head tomorrow, probably in the range of 2 to 4 or even 3 to 5 feet. And similar for most of the beaches. Fair to glassy conditions predicted. All right, getting out into the ocean with our reports from our scientist friends at the National Hurricane Center. We've got a lot of information for you from the tropics right now. Franklin, Jose, and a front have combined into a non-tropical storm heading toward Greenland. Idalia is now post-tropical at 60 miles per hour, heading away from Bermuda and may affect Canada by Thursday. Gert has once again become a tropical storm in the subtropical Atlantic at 45 mile per hour max sustained winds. Almost stationary right now, it's just drifting to the north. Katia formed earlier today, 50 mile per hour max sustained winds. It's strengthening and is expected to head toward the Azores. And last of all, we've got a tropical wave heading off Africa with a 70% chance of developing over the course of the next 7 days. All right, so thank you for joining me for this brief OBX wave report. I am Robert Scribbler, your wave reporter, filming here from Virginia Beach, looking at some smaller waves. And as I always do, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help speed the mass deployment of clean energy, which will protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning, those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean acidification, and ocean heat waves, both of which harm the health of our oceans and the people who live here, as well as all the other climate impacts, such as increased drought, heat waves, and severe fire risks. All right, so thank you for joining me once again. Hope you guys got in the water today, and if not, I hope you get in the water tomorrow.